Hi guys, 2 days before I got an issue like monitor is not getting any signal from PC and keyboard and mouse also not working. So then first step I check with another monitor and another power cable of monitor also. Still it's not working. Then I went to several shops. They couldn't figure it out what happened to my PC. And after I come back to my room, I watched some YouTube video randomly and they recommend remove the RAM and putting, and we had to remove the CMOS battery and put again. So I did that. Finally it works. Now I explain what I did, then how it works. Firstly, I remove the PC cover. So you can see. Then you can check with removing the CMOS battery and put it back again and check it. If it's still not working, remove all the RAM from all the slots. Then turn on the PC again and check. If it's not working, choose only one RAM, like that. Choose only one RAM. Then put carefully to that slot. So when you are putting the RAM, you have to measure this hole. This hole should be matched with that. Don't damage this RAM, okay? So choose only one RAM and put in one slot and try that. The same procedure. That RAM, put the second slot. Do that to everything. Then use the second RAM and do like that. Concerning this procedure, you can figure it out which slots are working and which RAMs are working. Then you know that which slots are working, which RAMs are working. Then you can put only those slots, and when you put it back, then your PC will work. So you won't get the issue like monitor not getting any signal, monitor automatically going to the power mode or sleep mode, or keyboard not working or mouse not working. That kind of issue, you can ignore that. So that is the thing. So RAM is the major thing. Okay, take your own time. Don't be rush. Remove all the RAMs and check it. Then choose only one RAM. Then put it one slot and put it and wait for like 30 or 40 seconds. It will figure it out or not. Then move to another slot, like that. Take your own time. Be calm and do it. Okay. Be safe and do it also. It's a small procedure. Just choose one RAM, one slot, check it, another slot, check it like that. Then choose another RAM, check it. Then you can mark like that which slots are working, which RAMs are working, like that. Small procedure. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.